It is Battlebox time again. Don't have a fancy box to show you this time because it came in a plain, oversized brown box, because this is Mission 40, the sniper box. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. And the mosquitoes, we got one on my head yet? Lately, every time I edit a video, there's one up here somewhere, and I'm trying to catch it by looking in the, see me looking over in the viewfinder screen, but I always seem to miss them. They just like to land right up here on my forehead. So just in case you don't know what the Battlebox is, it is a subscription service that comes in different levels, subscription levels at different prices. At every subscription level, you get everything in the lower price one plus some more stuff. We'll talk about those as we go. As always, what I've done is I've tried to go out on the internet and find the same or comparable items, and just so you can compare and see what the value is. So you can make an informed decision whether this subscription box might be something that you're interested in spending your money on. My goal in making this video is just to show you what's in it and kind of hopefully give you a clear understanding of what you could buy that stuff for on the open market. There you go. So without any further rambling, let me take you down to the old stump top and we'll take a look at Mission 40, the sniper box from Battlebox. First of all, let's show you what's inside here. Oh, here we go. Every box comes with what they call a sit rep card, and basically it tells you what's inside here, the values they've assigned to it, the monetary values they've assigned to it. A little background on the back, kind of telling you what the thought processes that went into the box. So what I've also got in this box is my research where I compared the prices, and we'll take a look at that as we go. So let me move this out of the way. We'll just get right into it. So the very first item on the list, I think, is a very, very good choice for long-range shooting. It is a long-range shooting handbook. It seems to be a very good teaching book that's a beginner's guide to precision rifle shooting. A lot of great information in here that you may not know intuitively. So there's the long-range rifle book. They're giving this one a value of $24.95, which is a list price on it. I found it on Amazon for $19.96. Next item is from Modern Spartan Systems, to Spartan Accuracy Grease, and that's basically just some firearms maintenance grease that you can put on to on your bolt carrier group and your bolts, and just, you know, a little heavier than a lighter oil for some more intensive type of lubrication. And that is, they're giving that an $11.50 value. Only place I could really find it was on Spartan Systems for $11.50, so that's what we're going with. It was out of stock on Amazon. The next item on the list is a rifle cheek rest with ammo and an admin pouch. And basically what this is, it just straps around your gun stock, gives you a cheek rest here. You can pull off the, it's got two Velcro pads on either side. You got a ammo pouch here where you can insert rounds in there. On the other side you have just an admin pouch. And you could actually turn that into, put your ammo there, and it'll cover your ammo, and you keep it from getting dirty. And then you got, kind of works like that. So, and you can put it on either side depending on if you're left or right-handed. They're giving this a $13.99 value. Only one I could find on Amazon is like maybe 12 bucks, somewhere in that bump, between 10 and 12 bucks, but it did not have the admin pouch on it. So I think their $13.99 value is pretty accurate. So we're going to go with that. I think it's fair, to be honest with you. And then finally, the next item on the list is a rifle rest. Next item on the list is a rifle rest, and it's just like a sandbag kind of rest. You can set this thing down. It gives you a really stable platform to rest your rifle. And they're giving this one a $12.99 value. Actually, the closest thing I could find on Amazon was like $12.69. So that's everything on the comes in the basic level subscription for Battlebox, which is $24.99 a month plus shipping. That comes up with their stated value of $63.43, and I came up with $58.14, so still more than double what you pay. The next level is the advanced level. The advanced level, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. The advanced level is $49.99 a month plus shipping, and this month just some more stuff is a couple of things. First of all, you got this real Avid gun tool, and it's pretty cool. It's a just open this thing up for you. It's like a folding gun tool, and it's got all kinds of cool stuff in it. A lot of different wrenches to fit a wide assortment of guns. Just many tools in here, and 18-in-1 actually. So that's what it says on the box, and they're giving this a $24.99 value. I found this exact item on Amazon for $19.99, so about $5 off there. Not too crazy off. And then the second item in the advanced kit this month is a rifle cleaning kit. Comes in this little pouch with some MOLLE adaptable, I guess. You know, you can yep, it's got some good snaps on it, I'll tell you that. Anyway, you can slide that out and put it in MOLLE or whatever, and then it opens up here like so. It does have some good snaps on it. And Velcro's there, and then this side it's got, let me just get here where you can see it. It's got some little bottle for whatever lubricant you prefer. A little cleaning brush here. It's got a chamber brush and a barrel brush, and then it's got some I guess patches, right? And this just looks like it's for a 5.56. So I would probably need to throw a 308 in there for mosquitoes would drive me batty. And then on the other side, it's got a bag of stuff. It's got some little nylon picks, a lot of different style picks, a cleaning rod, and some long Q-tips for getting into those nooks and crannies. This is generally probably designed for an AR style rifle. And then it goes back up, Velcros together, and these very tough snaps snap together. So there's that. That's everything in the advanced kit this month, and that brings their total to state of A to $118.41. I came up with $93.33. So there's that for the advanced. The next level in the Battlebox subscription is the Pro level, which is $99.99 a month. And at the Pro level, you get everything in the lower levels plus some more stuff. This month, the some more stuff is really cool. I have to take you back off of the stump top for a minute just to show you this. So this is the other item for the Pro level kit this month for the long range shooting, the sniper box. And basically it's a rifle bag, which I think is pretty cool, from the folks at 9 Line who are relentlessly patriotic. And it's pretty standard configuration. It's got a nice handle. Everything seems to be very well made. It's got backpack straps on it with a sternum strap, and there it's got the 3 pockets on front that have both buckles and Velcro. You can put ammo or magazines or whatever in there. The front pocket that opens up like so. You can put a 2 pockets here, a big zipper pocket here, I guess, and a couple of Velcro closure pockets here. Very standard, like most bags I'm familiar with. And then a couple little small pouches over here you can stick long stuff in. I'm not really sure what goes in there, to be honest with you, but and then I did want to check and see though if it had room. It's got room for 2 rifles, but I want to make sure, since this is a long range rifle shooting kit, that it would fit my 308 with the bipod actually, which is this one has the 18-inch barrel on it, so it's a little longer than a standard AR. By the way, the rifle does not come with the Battlebox this month, but it does actually fit. I mean barely, but it fits. So that's good to know. And it's got retention straps here and here to secure your rifle, and a little pad between them. So there you go. And that is, they're giving this an $89.99 value. I couldn't find this anywhere, even on 9 Line's website. I think it's brand new, or maybe they made it specifically for a Battlebox. The closest thing I could find on Amazon was a Lancer bag, which maybe, I mean, it seems to be made pretty decent. I couldn't tell. This is actually made very well, it seems to be. The Lancer bag was $65. So, which brings the Battlebox stated value for the Pro level this month at $208.40. Mosquitoes. And I came up with $158.13 for the cost of $99.99 a month plus shipping. So the final level is a Pro Plus, or the Knife of the Month Club, and in that you get everything in the previous levels plus some more stuff, usually a blade or tool of some kind. This month, that is the Sniper Blade Works DMF folder in 1095 high carbon steel. And this is the first production knife from the folks at Sniper Blade Works who usually make custom knives. I mean, in the $600 to $800 range, actually. And I'll show you this one with like really high-end steel. This is 1095 steel, so it allows them to make it a little bit less costly. But it's got a it's like aluminum handles with a carbon fiber insert, and it's a pretty beastly looking thing here. It's a frame lock. I can tell you that the action is just really smooth on this thing, and it flicks open if you need it to. Got a really unique blade there, blade shape. This is DMX. So Battlbox is giving this $189.99 price. I looked this up online trying to find a price for it. Again, this is their first production knife. It's not available anywhere else, but their other knives, which are mostly out of stock using higher grade steel, are like $700-800 for this model. So probably a reasonably fair price. So we're going to call that one the right price, and I put it at $189.99. That brings the total stated value for the Pro Plus this month to $398.39. I came up with $348.12, which for $149.99 plus shipping is still double what you pay. So there you go. Okay, well, that was the Mission 40 Battlbox Sniper Box. Long-range shooting supplies and equipment. Gotta say, I think this has got some pretty cool stuff in it. I am by no means proficient at long-range shooting, but I would like to be, because it's a challenge and it's fun to me. So for me, this has been a great box. Obviously for you, you have to make that decision. As always, my goal is just to show you what's in here, do a little research for you out on the internet to see what the stuff can be found for on the open market, and hopefully that'll help you make a decision if this is something you choose to spend your money on. As always, thanks to the folks at Battlbox for sending me these boxes so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. Thanks for subscribing and sharing this video, and for clicking that little thumbs up down there, that like button. And thanks for supporting the channel by doing all your online shopping through the Survival on Purpose links. I really appreciate your support. And you can check out another video right there if you would like. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.